let's install this. This thing is really truly a nightmare without having my Mustang up and running how it should be. Okay, so my mistake was costly, a little bit. The worst decisions I ever made, ever. Life goes on, right? Am I right? AR. What is going on, guys? AR Car Reviews, aka Akeem50 here again with another video, and in today's video we are going to be installing the new SR performance clutch spring within the 2013 Ford Mustang GT. The reason why we're going to be installing this clutch spring is because the one that comes stock with the car kind of dead, like it doesn't have much feel to it, and I've heard a lot of good things about this clutch spring. It's a lot lighter, so will be less wear and tear on your legs, should be able to have more fun, be able to maneuver faster, quicker, all that type of thing. So let's get into a review. It's going to be kind of hard to show you guys with camera setup, but listen, I'll try my best. All right guys, so this is going to be the clutch spring right here. You can see they have it in a nice little plastic bag. So as opposed to the stock clutch spring, this one is going to be 90 pounds. As you can see, I could compress it pretty easily with my hand. It has some tension built into it, you know what I mean? So definitely it's still going to give you a lot of the springy feel, and everybody that's installed one in these cars loved it immediately, so I definitely need it for my car too. It does come with some instructions as well if you need those. We don't need those. Are you sure about that? So yeah, let's get on with the installation. You can see this is going to be the old spring right here. As I compress it, you can kind of see a little bit. I know it's a little hard to see, it's a little hard to work on as well. So something you will need to use is definitely some pliers like this, just so you can relieve some of the tension in the spring. Just throw on some safety goggles just in case. First thing we're going to do is push the spring all the way in. Try to grab it with the pliers. There's a lot of tension. What do I need to do? I need to make this tighter. All right, so take two. We now have an actual pair of needle nose pliers. Shout out to my neighbor Larry. And this time I am confident we will definitely get it. Are you sure about that? So let's do it. All right, come on, we got this. We got this, we got this. Got it. Oh my gosh.
Simple. An easy 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meters.
How, Sway?
To take you less than 30 minutes.
You ain't got the answers, man.
That just took me like 10 hours, bro. I am drenched in sweat. But we got the spring out. This is the painful, heavy stock spring. Very greasy, very nasty. We have the much better spring ready to install. A lot easier of a headache, a lot lighter. So here's just a size comparison. You can see the lighter one is on the right, the SR performance, and we have the stock one that comes on the Mustang. Bro, that thing took so much energy. The SR performance spring, 90 pounds on the left, and of course we have this stock performance trash spring from Ford. I don't know what they were thinking about this one, but yeah, so should be a pretty good replacement. Should see a lot less strain on the feet, and let's put it in. So the pinion is still there. So we just push it in.
1 hour later.
Go. And there you go. Have the bottom part, it's perfectly fine, and then this is all I can find from the top part. Not very promising. Yep, that probably wraps up today. All right guys, but my camera died. The Mustang is still drivable. Just without a clutch spring, it feels really smooth. I don't know, I kind of like it without the spring. But I still do want to get the spring in the car because I know it can cause some damage, some wear and tear. I moved the car trying to look for the spring. I cannot find anything. This is crazy, but at least I can still drive the car. It can always be 10 times worse, so that's something to be grateful for. So yeah, I didn't install the SR clutch spring this video, but next video, we got it. We're gonna get the upper perch.
Are you sure about that?
We're gonna come back, finish the installation.
12 seconds later.
All right, so it's been another day. It's been a week, about a week and a half before I received this package from Steeda. So Steeda, thank you for having at least speedy delivery times. So we're gonna unbox this. After we unbox this, we're gonna try to install it with the spring that, you know, has caused all this problems. I guess the spring isn't the root of the problem. You guys get the point. So yeah, let's do that and then get on with the video. All right, so here is the Perch. It looks really nice, really high quality actually. Now let's take it out, see how it feels. So off bat, it feels pretty solid, like really snug. I actually really do like how it feels. It feels really high quality, much better than the OEM one that you get from Ford. So I actually really like that. And I think this will hold up for a really long time too. It's funny how one install ended up becoming two, but I'm not mad at it. I wish I could show you guys kind of how it looked before. But this is the only piece I could, you know, salvage, I guess. It still have the pin, so that's good. We can transfer over the pin, and I'm not even sure what this piece is. I think that was the piece where the pin went, but you know, as you guys know, the other piece just flew off somewhere. I still haven't been able to find that thing. I feel like I'm gonna find it when I'm changing the seats or doing some interior work on this car sometime. But yeah, so everything looks good. I think there's only one thing left to do. Let's get rid of these. Still need to keep this, and it's gonna go slot in just like that. And let's install this. I am gonna try to put some zip ties on this, but I'm gonna try to focus and not record as much because of what happened before. I hope you guys understand, but yeah, let's try to get it done. So this is how it's looking with the zip ties on. I just have two because that was all I was able to find, but you can see how much two just compressed the spring, and I think this will be enough to make this install super duper easy. I'm praying, I'm hoping to God, please make this install easy. It should not be this hard. All right, I'm gonna go back inside, do some more research. This is getting me very frustrated. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say, I swear I did not order the 2015 to 2023 part for this car. And if you guys haven't catch that, I wasn't able to install the part because it wasn't the right year for my car. My car is a 2013. The part I ordered was for 2015 to 2023. So sadly, I wasn't able to get the install done that day, but I had to order the part again. This time I triple checked, double checked, quadruple check to make sure I was ordering the right part before I pressed that checkout button. So yeah, let's get back to the video. So just to recap, I lost the top perch, ordered the wrong part. So now it's been even like longer without having my Mustang up and running how it should be, but we'll get it though. Where there's a will, there's a way. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's get to it. All right guys, yesterday the package was supposed to come. It has been a whole day, and USPS says the package is delivered. God, he knows where that package is. I have no idea. All I know is that buying this thing might have been one of the worst decisions I ever made, ever, building anything on this car. Like, just a simple $20 fix. Who would have thought it would cause this much problems and trouble? I'm lost for words. I just want to get this thing installed and over with. All right guys, so this audio is probably absolutely horrible, but we finally got the package. I don't know why this thing took so long to come, and then after USPS gave me such a hard time, come to find out they had the package all along. Like, bro, why would they do this? But either way, we got the package. Now there's only one thing left to do, which is install this package. So hopefully nothing goes wrong this time, because I will crash out. We're back again with another day, and finally we actually have the product. We actually have it, guys. I thought this day would never come. I ended up going to the post office. I had to wait an hour and a half. But either way, we got the package, you know, we recovered the goods, and now it's time to actually install it. We have the spring, we have everything that we need. So hopefully today's installation will go super duper easy. No more talking. I want to get this thing over with and done. I don't even want to think about this thing again in the future. So let's go. Thing now. And yes, this looks exactly like how it was when I took it out of the box first. So this is really, really good. And yeah, so let's get into with the install. I'm a little scared, I'm not gonna lie, just because of what happened last time, but yeah, it looks like they give you some extra kits too. I don't know what that is. This is formula pre-lube. Oh, okay. So they even give you lube where you could put on the, I don't know what exactly, but we'll see. This is the spring. I've attached it to some zip ties just so we could compress it a little more. I don't know how good of a job two zip ties will do, but it's better than no zip ties, so I might throw in an extra one just in case if this not working. But come on, I gotta get it. Let's try now. Sliding the bottom first. I think I got it. Guys, so I just finished installing this piece. I have to say, this was the worst idea ever. Like, it might make the car drive better, but this is hands down one of the worst installations I've ever did. Like, the whole process was terribly bad. I'm about to go on a test drive for it for the first time. I managed to get everything put in, and then I forgot that I had to put the little screw in. So do not forget that if you try to install this yourself. It is a lot of work, but just know you can do it with some zip ties, and I think the zip ties will definitely make it better. But yeah, no matter what time of the year you're going to be doing this, you're going to be drenched in sweat, trust me. So we just finished. Everything looks really, really good. There is like a piece of the zip ties stuck in the spring, I think. Hopefully it's just going to fall out on its own, because this everything is already in with the screws, so I don't think that's going to fall out anytime soon. But yeah, so I'll let you guys get a look at it now. There it is. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that. You can see right here, I'm just gonna perch it up right there so you guys can see. You can see the little white part of the zip tie right there to the kind of left, but it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. I'm just very upset at how everything came out, how long it took. So they did give a little grease packet as well, so I'm just gonna apply some of the grease there on the spring. So let's go for a test drive and see how the spring feels. I've been driving without a spring for, I want to say, about a month, so yeah, I kind of forgot how the 200-pound feels, but yeah, let's check it out. All right, so actually go on a drive and see how this clutch spring feels. This is my first time actually testing a clutch spring that's aftermarket. Oh yeah, I like that. That feels so much better. I'm not even, yo. Oh yes, I like that. It feels what you would expect like a Civic clutch to feel like. Real nice, you know what I mean? It feels so good. I'm actually sad. Like literally, yesterday I went to a car show. I would have loved to just have this for the drive, because it was a long drive. This makes, oh my gosh, this makes engaging the clutch feel so easy. It makes it feel so easy, so beautiful. Yeah, oh my gosh, I actually love how this feels. I really do. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna go on a little test drive. But just from starting the car, I can immediately feel the difference from the 200-pound clutch spring and the no clutch spring I was running because of all this malarkey. I'm gonna just go ahead and say, it feels so light. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. It feels so good. Life is good. Life is beautiful, ain't it? Life is beautiful. If you're here and you made it this far in the video with all the stuff going on with me, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. And smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. We got more collaborations coming up, more videos coming up, more products coming up. Everything and anything is going to be included in the channel, and I appreciate you guys for coming this far. So let's go on a little test drive. Oh my gosh, that gear shifter was easy. My foot isn't even doing anything, I feel like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It feels lighter than the gas pedal, which is weird. Oh my gosh, I'm switching gears like so much faster. Let me try downshift. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. You like it? I love it. You like it? I love it. That feels amazing. I'm not even gonna lie, that feels amazing. That was worth the hassle. Dad, you're on the brake.
I want my press.
Dad, you're on the brake. You gotta go to clutch. Dad, the clutch, Dad, other foot.
Oh,
Did you forget how to drive? Dad, you still remember how to drive manual, right?
Yeah, man, I want to.
This day. To this day.
All right, you're good, Dad, you're good. You could back up, Dad, wait, hold on. Is that first?
Yeah.
This is first.
Knowledge.
How the car feel, Dad?
Good.
What'd you think about the car? It's your first time driving it. That's another Mustang right there, you see?
Yeah, that's our next Mustang. And I feel too
Dad, your RPMs are low. Low, you should put it in second.
second again.
You're in, oh.
What you doing?
All right, sorry. It looked different from the passenger seat.
Oh, you gotta teach me if you drive.
Because you drive it like you forget. That is it first?
Yeah, that first.
Will you have it in first?
Yes.
Take it over first. You're in the stop. You're in the stop sign. You don't
You
put it in
can
neutral.
keep it in the first and
No,
drive.
you're gonna burn the clutch like that.
No, you
That
don't
release
burn
the
it.
clutch. That release the clutch. You just
No,
need to
burn-
keep it on the brake. You're gonna
No,
burn
burn-
out the clutch.
Now burn the clutch so easily, man. Got some used to drive stick, boy. So much years, man. I still remember how to drive a stick, you know.
All right. But how you think it feel? It feel good, right?
Feel far better than how it was.
Yeah, a lot less pressure.
Couldn't even move it. Message, oh shit.
Mm-hmm.
This can't move. This is crazy. Man. I don't want to drive this. I can't.
Yeah, and I would go through all that garbage again if it meant I could have this clutch pedal. Oh my gosh, this clutch pedal is so free. It feels so light, like I'm just like bouncing.
Pause.
It's so much easier to engage the gears. That was like a perfect shift. Oh my gosh, like honestly, this is great. So the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grease the clutch spring, I guess, the Perch, all that other stuff, I don't know. All I know is that, you know, they included grease in the package, which for the older model years, for the 2015 to 2023, they didn't include any grease, which kind of confused me a little bit. But yeah, this makes the car so much like easier to drive, like. And I want to say special shout out to my dad. He was the one that actually told me to like do this mod. And I'm not gonna lie, I started blaming him when everything went wrong, but it feels so right now. So thank you for that, I appreciate it. All that struggle and stuff I went through, it was for a reason, and now I feel like the car is even better. Like it just feels so smooth, you know? I'm not even sure if I actually have to put any grease on it, but since they included it, why not? Yeah, it just feels so good. Like until you guys actually feel it, you'll see it just feels so buttery smooth. Like I really can't even say anything about it. It just feels amazing. So yeah, if you guys have been watching the video this far, I just want to say thank you. If you've seen all the garbage stuff I went through, I appreciate you, and I hope you guys have a good day. So this has been your boy Akeem, aka AR Car Reviews. I hope you guys have a good day. So yeah, AR out.